Sktv today observed Lainingthou Pisatao Vishwakarma Pooja at its office located at Sangay Promamang Leka in a low-key yet solemn ceremony. Officials, technical and non-technical staff of Sktv attended the puja dedicated to Lainingthou Pisatao, Lord Vishwakarma, the divine architect and patron of craftsmen, engineers and workers. Prayers were offered for continued service of the organization to the public, seeking divine guidance to protect from disturbances and ensure smooth operations moving forward. The ceremony emphasized unity and commitment among the staff as they strive to improve their work for the benefit of the community.